As compact living spaces and busy lifestyles become more common, the demand for portable washing machines has skyrocketed. These mini washer and dryer combos are perfect for apartments, dorms, RVs, and small households. Whether you're a frequent traveler or simply want laundry freedom, these compact machines offer convenience without sacrificing cleaning power. List 1. Gantex Portable Washing Machine. Full automatic washer and dryer combo with built-in pump drain, 8 lbs. The Gantex portable washing machine is a top-tier full automatic washer and dryer combo ideal for small spaces. With an 8-pound capacity, it's perfect for light to medium laundry loads. It features a built-in pump drain for easy water disposal, multiple wash programs, and a compact yet sturdy design. The intuitive LED display and quiet operation make it user-friendly. Its automatic drainage system is a standout for convenience, and it performs surprisingly well for its size. This unit is ideal for small apartments, dorm rooms, or RVs, offering reliable cleaning without requiring a permanent installation. Its portability and power make it a favorite among urban dwellers who want functionality without the space commitment. List number: COSTWAY Portable Washing Machine. Twin tub 20 pounds capacity. Compact laundry washer 12 pounds and spinner 8 pounds. The COSTWAY twin tub washing machine is perfect for users who want a bit more capacity and faster drying. Its dual function design allows you to wash and spin dry simultaneously, which is great for saving time. With a 12-pound washer and 8-pound spinner, it's ideal for families or roommates. Despite its larger capacity, it remains lightweight and easy to move around. The control knobs are simple, and its mechanical timer lets you manage each cycle with precision. While not fully automatic, the performance is excellent, and it handles tough loads with ease. A gravity drain makes emptying the water easy, though you'll need to place it near a drain or sink. List number: Portable Washing Machine. 2.0 kdf Portable Washer, full automatic with LED display. Compact washer ideal for apartments. This 2.0 kdf full automatic portable washable washer offers a strong blend of smart technology and compact design. It features an LED display, multiple wash cycles, and a clear top lid for monitoring laundry. The capacity is excellent for a small to medium household, and its automatic functionality makes it a plug-and-play solution. The internal stainless steel drum ensures durability and efficient washing. It runs quietly and includes child lock features, making it family-friendly. A built-in drainage pump handles water efficiently, and the sleek modern design fits into any home decor. It's a top choice for users looking for automation and reliability in a compact form. List number: Bonusol Portable Washing Machine. 16 pounds mini washer and spin dryer combo. Built-in gravity drain, compact laundry washer. The Bonusol 16 pounds mini washer and dryer combo is a fantastic option for compact living. It's a semi-automatic machine with dual tub functionality, wash and spin dry. The washer holds up to 11 pounds, while the spinner accommodates 5 pounds, offering solid performance for small households. Its gravity drain system is simple but requires placement near a drain or sink. With easy-to-use knobs and a compact build, it's especially suitable for RVs, dorms, or small bathrooms. Though not automatic, it excels in wash efficiency and water-saving design. It's also surprisingly quiet and quick, making laundry a breeze even in tight spaces. List number: Portable Washing Machine. 16L large capacity laundry washer, cleaning for underwear, baby clothes, shirts, small delicates. This ultra-compact 16L portable washer is perfect for delicate items, baby clothes, and underwear. Designed for minimal loads, it's ideal for travelers, students, or individuals who need a secondary washer for gentle cycles. The low power consumption and water usage make it eco-friendly, while the simple one-button operation makes it easy for anyone to use. Its size and convenience mean you can use it on a countertop or in very tight spaces. While it lacks spin drying functionality, it's excellent for its niche purpose: small, quick washes of delicate fabrics.